When you plant your business with a seed of distinction, potential grows into something remarkable, tangible. Vertis North, Quezon City's central business district, draws on the energy of an enterprising city. Gathering destinations for home, leisure, and business, connected to the metro's most vital areas for growth. At the heart of a dynamic locale, Ayala Land Premiere nurtures progress with a first in prime work environments, catalyzing enterprise in the north. Taking root at the center of a vibrant landscape for corporate pursuits, grounding your vision of the future with an unobstructed view. Energizing possibilities, revitalizing perspective, bringing prominence to your business. A refinement inspires professional spaces, reflecting precision and clarity, adaptability and efficiency, bearing the mark of prestige. An address of distinction. Your premier corporate address.